Hi, my name is Hardeep Desai. I work with Cotton Connect as head of farm operations.
Hi, Hardeep. Overall, how far do you think farmers are prepared for the level of changes that climate change is likely to bring?
The farmers enrolled in the Cotton Connect's sustainable cotton program, such as Real Cotton program and Organic Cotton program, currently get benefits from the educational and technical guidance provided by the Cotton Connect team and are seeing positive results on their harvest with lesser use of pesticides, higher yield, saving water and turning around crop production as per weather suitability. Farmers face the brunt of the harsh climatic conditions but don't have a strong collective voice yet required to bring changes on an environmental level. We believe that while most farmers do not know that some of the challenges they are facing are due to climate change, many of them are aware of steps to be taken in their farms. Like in case of excess rain and waterlogging issues, they focus on good farm drainage and try to remove the water from the farm as early as possible using labor and other equipments. Some farmers know the solution but do not have technical support or knowledge to implement them. Connecting farmers' challenges with climate change initiatives and by training and supporting them technically on climate smart agriculture will hold the key. The farmers can foresee that the future will be tough, but the current focus also remains heavily driven on day to day sustenance.
Why is it that climate change will impact women in particular? How do the findings from your study complement and support the Cotton 2040 analysis?
Cotton Connect interviewed experts from 5 local partner organizations and conducted 5 focus group discussions with around 10 women farmers in each group from real cotton and organic programs in India and Pakistan. We learned that climate change is already affecting all areas of women cotton farmers' lives while they are on the farm or caring for their family or livestock or at home, which in turn has a profound impact on their income, time, and health. These findings from our study complement and support the Cotton 2040 analysis, which also focuses on the effects of climate changes and strongly indicates that the main climatic conditions will include acute weather shortage, higher number of days with increased temperature, average annual rainfall in less number of rainy days, long dry spell between two rounds of rain affect the crop and thereby pose a threat to the livelihoods of women farmers. The Cotton 2040 analysis of the physical impacts of climate change on cotton production provides a useful prediction for organizations working to making a positive impact for the environment and women farmers.
How do these findings of the climate's impacts on the cotton sector impact your work? What do you think is most striking or relevant?
Well, in my opinion, the changes in the climatic conditions will deeply affect the farmers' income, specifically in India and Pakistan, where agriculture and cotton crop plays a crucial role to the economic of the countries. The economic impact will additionally deepen the health issues of the labor intensive farmers who will continue to work manually in such extreme conditions. We at Cotton Connect will have to work much more closely with the farmers to educate and alleviate the changes on their livelihood in a much more focused manner, backed by government laws, research, and best practices. We will have to create climate smart or climate resilient farming communities who can understand the challenges caused by climate change on their farms and livelihoods and practice farming in a smart way. We want to partner with other organizations too who would like to support farmers in terms of technology and other interventions to address the issues of climate change.
How are you already working to build climate resilience, for example, with female cotton producers?
To understand the practical impact of climate change on rural communities, Cotton Connect conducted a scoping exercise, including interviews and focus groups discussions, to identify areas for future research and action. The findings from this study illustrate the specific ways in which women cotton farmers are affected by climate change Additionally, we are educating the women farmers to improve farm profitability, to adapt their crop planning according to the changed climate cycle, and working on gender specific training on sustainable and socially responsible agriculture practices.
How do you plan to use the results of the Cotton 2040 study to feed into your work?
The results and suggestions from the Cotton 2040 study will be shared across the supply chain cycles and sustainability departments of the brands and forums that Cotton Connect works with. As a social organization which focuses strongly on human, environmental, and economic development of the farmers, we will work very closely with all our partners to address the issues related to climate change. We would also work to create a cadre of trained women as climate smart change leaders who can work at a grassroots level and guide farming communities about climate change issues for a longer time period. These climate smart leaders will act as a bridge between farmers and Cotton Connect to bring change at grassroots level. For this, we would be happy to collaborate with other agencies. We will work on newer technological advancement and better farm management practices to improve irrigation systems and work with government bodies, other national and global research agencies to work on climate smart agriculture research and interventions for long term impact.